Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about new chapter. The chapter is construction. Construction of triangle. So students, you have already know in previous class how can draw the circle, line segment, parallel line, and the perpendicular line. So in this chapter you have learned construction of triangles. If you have given the two sides and the one angle, so how can construct a triangle? So now let's be start. First you have construct to draw a line parallel to a given line through a point not on it. It means first you have to draw a two parallel line if you have given not a point. So how can construct? So now here we given the some steps of construction. First, draw a line L and the point P outside it. So first you have draw. Here we draw the point of. Here we draw a line L, and the point P is outside. So first here we draw again. First we draw a line L and the point P outside it. So draw a line L. First you have to draw a line L and the point P outside it. Outside it means you have taken outside of this line. Above and below also you can choose. Point P outside it. Now take point Q. Take point Q on line L. On line L, you can take point Q. So you have to take a point Q on a line L and join PQ. So now join the PQ. Third step is taking Q as a center. Draw an arc with any radius to cut L at R and PQ at S. So you have to first you have to put here compass, and take any radius and cut here arc. Take any radius and cut any arc. So this arc, here we draw this arc, Q as a center, and draw any arc. This arc L, it is called R, and the PQ, here this point is P, and the PQ line at S1. This point is called S. Now the fourth step, taking P as center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting PQ at T point. You have taken P as a center and cut here any arc. This point is called the T. This point is called the T. Now taking T as center. Now T as center and radius equal to RS. Here we given the radius, so same radius will be put here and draw T as a center and draw any arc. So draw any arc. So cut here this point. Now join this arc and join this line. And this arc you write down the name of U. So taking T as center and the radius equal to RS, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at U. Join PU and the extend it on both line. Both line. Here we extend and here is also extend. So this line is called M. So join PU and extend it on both sides of getter line. M is parallel to M. So the new line is make M and the M is parallel to L. So you can construct the line if you have given not any point. So this you have to construct and follow in this steps.